Good morning, friends. This is time for the trade plan for 21st of July 2020. Overnight, US markets have closed fairly strongly. S&P 500 has crossed intermediate highs of 3240, and that is having a fairly positive impact on all of Asia. And this was the point I was making in last evening's video, that unless you stay in, you will not benefit from the gaps which happen. And today SGX is up, I think 90 odd points, and will open beyond 11,100. So we are in a phase where the markets are outperforming, and all you have to do is stick on the long side. And there is no opportunity after the market has gapped up 80 to excuse me 100 points. So you can keep playing with yourself and keep finding entries every day or make money. If you just hang in there, you make your 4 to 500 points on the Nifty. That works. Now let's say what happened in the US overnight. We were doing this narrow range, and today S&P has started to expand. This is something we did on Friday. So all markets are moving in sync, and we should have another very positive day. I believe ADRs of HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank have closed sharply higher. So that will impact the bank Nifty in a very positive manner. Nifty, on the other hand, now lot of people yesterday are calling this a doji, small candle, this, that. What is the average true range and how it's measured? Average true range is measured from yesterday's close. So for me, the open is at yesterday's close, and I don't consider the gap as part of this bar. If you use the average true range, there is no problem, and we open above this doji. So doji is not always a reversal pattern. It can be a continuation pattern. If you see your 5-minute chart, the Nifty is sideways. Where does it say it is going to turn down? So, poor analysis and, trying to read too much into charts is another problem people tend to have. We decided on a 30-minute chart to manage our trade, which has been managed beautifully with this 20 DMA on a 30-minute chart, and we just keep following this. Nothing spectacular to do, just stay out. The market will do up and down, and just stay out and let your trade work. Now, people have already called this shooting star on Bank Nifty. They've already decided this is some kind of head and shoulder. Today, you will open above yesterday's high, and the Bank Nifty will also head higher. So, who's not making money? It's the person who's trying to predict at every point that the market needs to turn back. This sort of foolish analysis will not get you anywhere. So basically, short point today should be another positive day. Just take it in, and we have closed 2 days above the 200. So that is enough confirmation. These were muddy waters, as I described in an earlier video, and now you have clear meadows where you can race your stallion. Okay, as far as levels are concerned, for the day you have support at 10,952 to about 10,980, resistance at 11,036 to about 11,064, and we are going to open above the resistance zone. So very high odds that you are going to get a big trending day. On the other hand, on Bank Nifty, you have support zone around 22,000 to about 22,190, resistance zone at 22,384 to 22,481. Again, I maintain financials are underperforming, but an underperforming index can also go up. Underperformance does not mean that something will not go up. If Nifty is going up, Bank Nifty will go up. But obviously, over time, it will not make the sort of progress the Bank Nifty is making. Okay, for the day, IT is outperforming. You had a 500 move on the 500 point move on the IT index. I want to do IT stocks because the way Nasdaq has performed, that tends to have an impact on us. So those are the sort of stocks I want to be in. That should be it for the moment. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.